Good morning. I just arrived on location and today's photo shoot has me in this amazing industrial building. I know there's going to be huge windows and great light to play with. And best of all, there's a freight elevator. So I'm going to load up my multi-cart with all my gear, go set up, and stay tuned for more. Bye. All right, so we just set up the first shot. Super excited about this because we were using this rug as the background. There's a international thread throughout all these shots today. And so this Turkish inspired rug is going to be our first setup. I have my light here, but we have all this amazing natural light coming through these windows. And of course the iPad is set up so then we can look through the images as they come through. All right, more to come.